In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable clear mode on Facebook Reel. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So what you have to do is simply tap on the Reel tab that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to the Reels interface. You'll be able to see all the Reels over here. So what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. So in order to enable the clear mode, tap on this option clear mode that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the clear mode will be enabled. Now the on-screen text will be hidden and the UI buttons will also be hidden. That way you'll be able to see the distraction-free reel. You can also disable it by tapping on this icon that you can see right over here at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now again you'll be able to disable the clear mode. Now again you'll be able to see the screen text and UI buttons. So that is how you enable clear mode on Facebook Reel. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.